Hello my dear tuties and welcome back to the channel. I am Ritika and today you will be learning idioms and phrases. But before that, if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed it yet, then just below the video there is a subscribe option and a bell icon. So make sure that you press both of them so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. I had so many requests to make a video on idioms and phrases, and so I am here. I know guys that this topic is really very important for you, especially the competitive exam students. And guys, I'm always open to your requests, especially the students. So without wasting any time, let's move towards our topic. So the first one is a hot potato. Now whenever you see a hot potato, what will you do? Will you take it in your hand? No, you won't even touch it because it's hot. So the same is its meaning. A hot potato means a disagreement causing issue or situation which is awkward to deal with. For example, the party members are not going to speak on that topic as it is a hot potato. The next is a piece of cake. Now whenever you see a piece of cake, what will you do? You will have it, you will like it. So same is its meaning. A piece of cake means something that is very easily achieved. For example, if your friend is going on a job interview and you want to encourage that friend, so you can say, "Don't worry, Rachel, your interview is going to be a piece of cake for you." The next is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means something that happens very rarely, not very often. For example, if your sister has brought a new music system and she doesn't use it very often, so you can say, "I don't know why she bought that music system. She uses it once in a blue moon." The next is raining cats and dogs. Now this is something that you say when it's raining very heavily. For example, if you don't want to go out and it's raining very heavily, you can say, "I think I'll stay at home today. It's raining cats and dogs and I don't want to drive." And the next is when pigs fly. Is it even possible? No. This phrase refers to something that is highly unlikely to ever happen. For example, if you have a friend who never keeps quiet, then you could use this phrase. Richard will keep quiet only when pigs fly. The next is miss the boat. This means to be too slow to take the advantage of an opportunity. If there's a movie audition and your friend missed the audition, then you can use this phrase. For example, he did not turn up for the auditions, so he missed the boat to be in the movie. Now here, to turn up means to arrive. The next is apple of eye. Now this phrase refers to something or someone that one cherishes above others. You can use this phrase to show love. For example, he loved his daughter very much. She was the apple of his eyes. The next is call on. Now this phrase has many meanings. This means to ask someone for help or to make a request or to ask someone to do something. For example, if you are in your classroom and your teacher asks you a question and you don't have any answer, then you can use this phrase. "I didn't have an answer ready, but the teacher called on me anyway." The next is a bed of roses. Now whenever you see a bed of roses, what will you think? You will feel pleasing, right? So bed of roses is used in reference to a situation or activity which is very easy or comfortable. It is treated as an easy option. For example, making money is not a bed of roses. So wake up early and go to work. The next is a rabbit hole. Now this means a strange or unusual state or situation. For example, when we study, we take a break from studying and take our phones. We just go on Facebook to check status and we fall into a rabbit hole and lose track of time. And that's it for today, my dear tuties. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. The link will be in the description box below. And I will be soon with a new video. Till then, eat, sleep, study and repeat. And if you like the way I teach, then surely give this video a thumbs up.